Well, out there just a minute ago was like 100 birds, and now they're not here. Like, where are the birds? There they are. Can you see them? There they are. There they are. There's them birdies. And look at this one here. Yeah. And there's them birdies. See them? There's the birdies. Oh, there's the birdie. Hi, birdie. Yeah, hi, birdie. How are you? Are you resting up there, birdie? Oh, he'll be back, baby. Did you see Henry? He was just up there, wasn't he? Poor baby. Keep watching. Maybe he'll come back. That's my kitty cat. Pardon, my hair is about to be dyed tomorrow, and I'm trying not to, Oh my goodness. He almost flew off of the bed just now. Definitely on the edge there. Rico, where did they go? Oh, he ain't turned his head for nothing. He's waiting for them to come back. But them birds fly over there every day this time of the day. There's probably something over there they're eating. It's okay. I hope you enjoyed this. God bless y'all. Bye bye. Hey, this is right here. Um, I have to share this. This will be the last video I'll post about my Rico the cat, and I got enough to share on his channel too. But please go support Rico's channel at uh, Rico. It's a support animal. Rico the cat is his channel, and I'll link it below. Enjoy. Bye bye.